This is VALPULSE, the platform that is reshaping affiliate marketing, empowering both affiliates and vendors to earn more, grow faster, and build lasting wealth. As an affiliate, you can get started with as little as 5,000 naira and earn up to 60% commission selling digital products. Yes, you heard me right. With our unique chain commission system, you also earn when your students make sales. That means your hard work continues to pay off, even when you're not directly selling. That is real passive income. And for every milestone that you hit, whether it is 100K, 500K, 1M and beyond, VALPULSE celebrates you with a certificate and an extra 3% bonus. That is recognition plus free money for your success. You can even invite existing vendors or affiliates and earn commissions from there too. With VALPULSE, even your village people cannot stop your earnings. And if you are a vendor, come closer because this is your last bus stop. VALPULSE is your home to reach thousands of affiliates ready to sell for you. You can list products in English, Hausa, Igbo, or Yoruba, or any language that you prefer. Plus, every buyer automatically gets a free account to sell your products. That means more people promoting for you. And if you want more reach, upgrade to a premium account. This gives your affiliates unlimited access to promote across the entire marketplace. Yes, so. And if you already have an affiliate program, VALPULSE allows you to just subscribe once with no extra burden on them. But hold on, there is more. VALPULSE affiliates are not limited to digital products alone. Through our real estate partnerships, you can earn massive commissions by simply recommending properties. Affiliates are already earning millions in commission from just single property sales. And our programs teach you the real estate business from scratch. And if you are a certified real estate company, VALPULSE welcomes you to partner and expand your reach. We have built a system where affiliates and vendors grow together.
Weekly payouts every Friday to keep the cash flow steady.
And our unique features opens doors that no other platform offers. This isn't just affiliate marketing, no. This is the future of online business. What are you waiting for? Join VALPULSE today and start your journey. Click below to register and experience it for yourself.